guys, welcome to my 5 days of Christmas and today's video is all about icing cupcakes. This is something that a lot of you have asked in the past and I've not been able to cover it till now, and there are loads of piping nozzles available in the market, but I try and stick with the 4 basic ones, which then you can just experiment and make as many patterns as you like, but I like these 4 nozzles which I like to use all the time. And before I start, can I please request you to go and subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. It is really important for me that you click the bell button so you get a notification every time I share a new recipe so you don't miss out. But starting with the cupcakes, I have got vanilla cupcakes here. Now you can find the recipe on the channel already. Take out a little bit of cake from the middle, fill it with some salted caramel sauce. Obviously the recipe for that is also available on the channel. I will leave all the links below for you to find. This is a really easy sauce to make. You can make it beforehand, leave it in the fridge and then just warm it up 10-20 seconds before using it. Now I need buttercream. I have got buttercream here which I've prepared from the recipe video is on the channel for you to find, and I've got my 4 basic nozzles: round one, an open star, a closed star, and the 4th one, it's a round nozzle but it's got little cuts in it so it gives a lovely outline to the buttercream. Put these nozzles in the piping bag and then fill them up with some buttercream. So here I've got some use and throw plastic piping bags, but I do have to say that I it breaks my heart to use so much plastic, so I do like to use the reusable, washable. As you can see, this has been loved and used a lot. It's quite easy to wash and you can use it again and again, but today I'm going to show you how to use this. Cut the end of these a little bit more, roll them out. Just going to put this in and just push it well so it's really nice and tight, and then I'm going to fill this with some buttercream. And here I have all the piping bags ready to create some magic. I'm going to start with the plain round nozzle here, and the key is to keep the piping bag upright, straight ahead, and I'm just going to twist the top of it. I filled it with buttercream. I've twisted the top of it and then hold the twist between your thumb and your finger. I'm going to start squeezing from the outside, keeping it straight, and just keep moving it inside. One more circle and then pull it out. Now we have got here the round nozzle with some cuts here which will give a lovely pattern. So keep it upright and then swirl it. Look how beautiful the pattern is. And then again bring it to the center and then pull it out. The open star, I am going to show you 2 ways to do it. So you can start from the middle and go on the outside, or start on the outside and then go in the middle. Starting in the middle, and then you keep swirling it, keep it straight, and then gently finish it and take it out so you don't have a pointy bit sticking out. Start on the outside and then move inside. So just a good swirl and then pull it out. I've got the closed star nozzle, and again I'm going to do 2 ways, in to out and then out to in. So I'm going to start with the in, and this one gives a bit more of a frilly rose pattern, and the other one will be going from the outside to the inwards. With the same closed star, I am just going to show you one more way to use it, and that is if you keep it in the center and then just squeeze it out, keep it in the center, keep going, don't move it, and there you go, you've got this lovely mountain of icing on top. And with the round one with a bit of cuts in it, again I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to keep it in the center, just let it go, and then you get this absolutely stunning little pattern. And here with the plain round, I'm going to do something similar. So I'm going to continue with this, and then in the end just pull it out. So here you have it. So many different ways of piping the cupcakes, and all of them using the 4 basic nozzles that I've just shown you. You've seen how easy it is to ice the cupcakes, and all I can say is practice makes perfect. So do give this a go, give us a thumbs up, leave your comments. I love reading them, and I try and reply to every single one of them. And I will see you next week with a brand new recipe. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe.